Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of ShoutMeLoud, and I'm your host Harsh Agrawal. Well, today's video is very interesting and it's a question that's been asked to me by many people. What's the future of blogging? It's a very intimate question for me because I started blogging in 2008 and that was a question I've been asked by my brother, my family, that Harsh, you're taking blogging as a professional career. What do you think is the future? And my answer to them then was blogging is gonna grow. And my answer to you even today is blogging will keep growing. Even down the line, after 5 years, after 10 years, blogging will be there. People will be needing content and there will be people who's creating content on their blog. The only thing which would be changing is the medium. If you ask blogging, is it going to be the same like the text blogging? Probably not. And you can see that the way people used to consume video content 2 years back and now it's changed. It's drastically changed. You want to find a solution, you actually go to Google, you will see a lot of video content. So this is a change which we are seeing right now from the text to the video. Now the next time how the technology changes, the way we consume content will also change. For example, now when we want to find an answer, we do a voice search and we get an answer from Siri or Alexa or the AI device that we are using. Well, that's how the way we consume content would change. Now how these devices, how this thing will pick the content from internet is going to define how the medium of blogging would change. But there is one thing that you can do right now to ensure that your blog never fails. And that is building a tribe, building a community of people that believe in your idea. And your idea could be as simple as a food blog, as simple as tech blog, as simple as somebody who wants to change the world. Could be somebody like ShoutMeLoud who wants to help people become their own boss. Could be somebody like who wants to talk about sports and passionate about sports and want all the people who share the same thing to come under one umbrella, that is your blog brand, and talk about that thing. If you start building a community, it will help you to stay relevant, survive after years to come. And the most important thing, you have to constantly break your own limitation. You have to constantly question, am I stopping or am I growing? The moment you start challenging yourself, the thing that you already do, and you realize that there's so much to do, even you have reached somewhere, there is so much to do because life is changing, it's evolving. And when you do that, you stay relevant, which is very important. You don't want to be relevant after 3 years or 4 years. And that's where most of the blogs actually lose focus, because they become irrelevant because they stop reinventing themselves. So 2 things, your community, build a community around your brand, give a reason for people to connect to your brand. Second, stay relevant, reinvent yourself every day, start your day like a fresh day, ask yourself what you want to do today, make your 1 year, 2 year, 3 year plan. So to sum it up, the blogging is going to be there. You will be a blogger, you will be also called as influencer, you will be also called as thought leader. You could be anyone, but to be there, it's going to take time. Now these days, everyone is a blogger, but that's not how things work. To be a blogger, you need to first and foremost build a community. It could be a community of 10 people, it could be a community of 10 million people. But what you need is people who truly believe in your idea and who are with you because you have something to offer to them and you are doing something consistently. Well, here we go. Another unstructured video straight from the heart. I hope it gives you something meaningful. Feel free to ask any follow-up question in the comment section below. If you like this video, do share it with others. Let them know about ShoutMeLoud. It will help us to grow as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.